Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lirisha and I make videos on project planning and about my life in Dubai. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you've clicked on this video, it means you love project planning. And I'm here today to share my progress on my project plan challenge, which I started 2 months ago. So let's get right into the video. So in the previous month, I had 9 items in my project planning challenge, out of which 6 were makeup items and 3 were skincare items. So let's see how the progress on each of these products are. Let's start with skincare first. So here I have this body butter by Petal Fresh, which I have been panning since September. So it was a new product that I brought and it's a really great body butter. It has a very good texture and also it smells lovely. So my goal last month was to use this just 20 times, and guess what? I've used it 34 times in October. Also, I used up 81 grams of this product. The total weight of this product itself is 237 ml, so I've used 30% of it and I can surely complete the rest very soon. If you see now, it's almost 3/4 empty. I will be rolling this into my November panning challenge as well because I want to empty this by the end of December. So my goal for November would be to use this 20 times again. See, I think I can finish this in November, but I don't want to hate pan it. I don't want to use it just for the sake of using it up. So I want to really enjoy this product. So I'm just keeping a usage goal of 20 times. And if I finish it by November, then it's really good. But my ultimate goal is to complete this by December 2024, and I think that is definitely doable. The second skincare product I have here is the L'Oreal eye cream. So my goal last month was to empty this up, and I really don't know what I was thinking because it is nowhere close to being empty. The total weight of this product is 15 ml, and in October I just used 2 ml of this product. Anyway, I want to finish this in November and December, and I hope I'm able to complete at least most of it. And I'm okay even if it is not empty by then because this is the only eye cream that I have and I only want to empty it by the end of its expiry. So this I'll be rolling into November so that I at least make use of the eye cream that I have at home. My goal would be only to use this product 25 times in November. I'm in no rush to complete this because I know I'll not be able to do it. Now moving on to the next skincare item, I have the CosRX Snail Mucin. I had not used this since a long time. It was just lying on my drawer. So I finally decided to use this in my project panning challenge because I just had this much of it left. So if you see this bottle, I had started using it in September where the first line is, and I used it up well in October and November. So right now I only have a tiny bit of it left here. My goal last month was to use this only 15 times, but I used it almost every day and I used it 28 times. And I have used up 10 grams of product with 28 uses. So if you see that way, with 28 uses, I was able to complete 10 gram of product and the total weight over here is 100 ml. So I think to complete this we require 10 months. I think I have kind of fallen in love with this product. Earlier I was not a big fan, but since I'm using this regularly for my project panning challenge, I am really loving how it works on my skin. So maybe after I finish this and a couple of other skincare items, I will be repurchasing it. So my goal in November is to completely empty it, and I think I will be able to do it. Moving to the makeup products, the first product I have here is the Lakme Loose powder. So I have used this almost every day in October. My goal last month was to use this 20 times and I have used it 37 times. And the total weight used is 2 grams. So I used up 2 grams of this product in October. But to be honest, I think I'm kind of bored with this product. And if you see, there is so much of product left. And I don't think I'll be able to complete it anytime soon. I have been using this since I think 2 years and it's still just perfect. I'll be using it till it gets empty. But I think for this year, I'm done with this product. And I will be rolling out this product in October. I have other products which I'll be showing you shortly. Next, I have the Blue Heaven liquid lipstick. And as I told you in my previous video, I love this liquid lipstick. It just makes any lipstick matte, and I love the matte trend. Even though glossy lips are trending now, I'm still a matte lover. My goal last month was to use this just 10 times, and guess how many times I used it? I have used this 32 times. Yes, so I used to apply it in the morning and reapply it in the afternoon. And because I'm doing a lipstick project pan, I use 2 lipsticks in a day. So in the morning I wear a nude brown lipstick, and in the afternoon I change it to a pink lipstick. So this one works so well on both of those products and make my lips matte. And that's why I have used this 32 times in October. Anyway, I think I have given this product enough love this year, and it's time to move on to the next product. So I'll be rolling this out in this month. Next up, I have chosen the Music Flower Gel Eyeliner. So it is a pot gel liner and it's in the color black. So if you see here, I have some usage. My goal was to use this 20 times and I used this exactly 20 times. So I have met my usage goal. I have a lot of other eyeliners in my vanity. So I'll be rolling this out this month. And I'm happy that I was at least able to use this product this year. Moving on to the next makeup product. I had chosen this blue eyeliner as well because I have a lot of colored eyeliners and I wanted to use one black eyeliner and one colored eyeliner every month. If you see, it's a very nice royal blue eyeliner, but the thing is, it's very streaky. On the hand, it applies very well, but on the eyes, it's really a task to apply it neatly and nicely, and it also fades away very soon. So mostly I'll be decluttering this eyeliner. Anyway, it's an old one and it's not performing well too. My goal was to use this 10 times in the last month, but I used it only 8 times because I was not able to apply it properly. So maybe I'll declutter this one at the end of the year. I think it's time that it goes out of my vanity. Next, I have the Insight Makeup Spray, and my goal last month was to use this 15 times, and I have used this 17 times last month. And I have used up around 8.5 grams of this product. So the total weight of this product is 75 ml, and I have made good use of this in the previous month. There is just a little bit of it left, and I think I'll be able to empty this in November. So my goal for November would be to completely empty this product. So next up, I have my most difficult product. This is the Lakme 925cc cream. And my goal last month was to completely empty it. I used this up 29 times, but it's still not empty. I have used a total of 3.3 grams of this product in October. And right now I'm very intrigued to cut this open and see how much is left, because even when I try to put it this way, only the first bit of it comes, and then the second one I'll have to do all this adjustment and get the product out. So let's see how much is left in this. I already have a scissor with me. So let's cut this up and see how much product is left. So finally, I was waiting for this moment and I'm going to do it on camera. I'll just cut it in the center so it becomes easier for me to use it either way. Okay. And now the moment of truth. Oh, okay. Okay, so if you see here, there is just a tiny bit of it left at the ends. I don't think this product would have anyway come out with just squeezing the tube. And here there is a little bit, so that's just this much of product left. I think I'll be able to easily complete this in the next 10 days, but no, I don't want to again be very ambitious. And I will be hoping to finish this in November. But I'm, still scared to commit. Who knows if this is even more product than what I'm seeing. Anyway, I'll be rolling this over to the November project pan. And my goal again is to empty this, and I think I can do it this time. I just realized that the lighting changed a bit. It's because it's dark outside now and it's almost going to be winter in Dubai. It's getting dark sooner. Okay, so those were all the products of my October panning challenge. And now I'll be rolling in 4 products instead of 3 that I have rolled out. So let's start with product number 1. I was really tired with the Lakme loose powder. So instead of this one, I'm going to introduce the Srichand translucent glowing powder. This one I got from Thailand and it's really beautiful. It gives a nice shimmery glow on your face when you use it. So what I'm thinking is I'll be mixing both of them and I'll be using it, because only this on our skin, it looks very glowy, and that's not what I want to wear to office. So I'll be mixing both of these. Anyway, I'm not having this product in the panning challenge. I only want to use up a little bit of this one this year. So my goal would be to use this product 15 times in November. And I think that's a doable goal because I'll be using it daily along with this one. Let me just show a tiny swatch of how this powder is. So it looks this way here. Oh, okay, a little bit of product came out. And let me just show you. I'm not sure if you can see the shimmer here, but see, it's a nice glowy powder. So I'm not sure if you can, yeah, yes, I think, yeah, see, do you see that shimmer? It's a lovely powder. So I'll be trying to use this 15 times in November. The next product I have is a purple eyeliner by Essence. So last month I had a blue eyeliner, and in the previous month too I had a light blue liner. So this month I have a purple eyeliner, and this one is also very nice, and this is not like the blue one which I used earlier. This one really glides very smoothly, and look at the color payoff. It's a lovely purple color. It's so lovely. So my goal would be to use this just 10 times in November, because I don't use colored liners so often to office, and I think a goal of 10 times would be perfect for a colored eyeliner. Next up I have another eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner. See, I told you I have a lot of eyeliners in my vanity, and I want to give love to all of these products this year. So I'll be using this eyeliner now. My goal would be to actually empty it by the end of December. In the month of November, I just want to have a usage goal of 30 times. That means I want to use this every day. Let me see if I can do it. I think it's doable because I wear eyeliner almost every day to office, and it gets a little lighter after 2-3 hours. It's not a very pigmented eyeliner. The first streak is okay. It is dark, but it eventually fades off on my liner because I have sweaty lids. So I think I will reapply this one, and the usage goal of 30 will be easier for me to achieve in November. So last month I had this matte liquid lipstick. So I thought, why not have another matte liquid lipstick in November as well. So this is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color, and it is in the shade Mauve Mix. So this is also a very nice liquid lipstick, and I was thinking, just like how I used up that liquid lipstick to make my lips matte, I would use this one in the month of November. But that was a very nude brown shade, and this is a nice berry mauve nude shade, and this one is also very nice. My goal in November is to use this liquid lipstick 25 times. I have not used this lipstick even once this year, so I think 25 uses this year is a great number. And finally, I decided to have a perfume in my project pan in November. So this is by Skin, and Skin is by Titan, and these perfumes are very famous in India as well. These I got as a gift, and I have not yet opened this bottle. So my goal in November would be to use this at least 15 times. I'm really excited to use this one up. I have the plum vanilla vibes in my bag, which I use on a daily basis, which also I need to empty by the end of this year. So along with that one, I'll try to use a little bit of this one as well. So yes friends, that's all about my project panning challenge of October and for November. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do let me know in the comments if you're also doing a project pan. I would really love to see the products that you're panning. I hope this video inspires you to use up your products that you already have and not buy more, because this year I have hardly brought any makeup items, and I'm trying to reduce all my collection to just have one final item in my vanity. So yes, that's all about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please do give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.